Hello, my name's Nicola. I'm an NHS nurse. I'm going to show you how to do a safe and correct procedure for taking a test. You're going to have your tube, you place it in your holder. You've got your liquid, you need to break the top. You're going to fill the liquid into the tube, and that's ready for later. You're going to take a swab from your throat and from your nose, starting with your throat first. On the packet, it's got a peel here end. That's where you're going to open the swab. You have to make sure that you don't touch the end of the swab where it's furry at all. So making sure at all times you don't touch this end. You're going to take the throat swab first. You're going to swab the back of your throat where your tonsils are, or if they've been removed, where they would have been. You're going to make sure that you don't touch your tongue, your teeth or your gums with the end of the swab. Place the swab at the back and roll it 5 times round where the tonsils would have been. Using the same swab, you're going to swab your nose. You're going to insert the swab into your nose until you meet resistance. That's about 2.5 centimetres approximately. Roll the swab round 5 times and then take the swab out. You're going to use the same swab on the other side of the nose and repeat the procedure. So insert the swab where you meet resistance, about 2.5 centimetres, roll it 5 times around and then remove the swabs, making sure you don't touch the end of it. Having taken your swab, you're going to place the swab into the tube without touching the sides. Place it in and roll the swab around against the bottom and the sides of the tube 5 times. As you remove, squeeze the tube to make sure you get as much liquid as possible out of the sample. Place your tube back into the holder and discard your swab. You're going to place your top on top of the tube. That's ready. Next step, you're going to take your cassette and open it. On the cassette, you've got 2 areas, the reading window and where you place your liquid. You're going to put that down in front of you with the round area towards you. Going to take your tube with your top on and place 3 drops of sample, 1, 2, 3, onto the cassette, and within 15 minutes you need to read the test. 15 minutes has expired, so it's time to read your test. In the window of the cassette you'll have a C and T marked. For a positive result you'll see a detection line at both C and T. For a negative you will see just a line at C, and for an invalid test, a line just at T.